What's a binomial? What does a binomial look like? Yeah, what does it look like?
Is it binomial? Is it a binomial one?
So I'm heading to page 567. So I'm moving away from the screen. Oh my gosh, it's back to February. March 3rd. Okay, I'm moving the screen to page 567.
You know it's a rule. The teacher does like show every 15 minutes of class Miss, tomorrow you should not show
Who
up.
told you that?
I looked it up.
Like some kid?
From my owl's head.
Not in the school district in Manatee County. All right, explain why it is a monomial. It's only one term. Okay, so terms in expressions are separated by plus and minus signs. I'm going to write out the word.
Yeah, it's Friday and next Friday.
567. So let me show you what a binomial. If this were a binomial, it would be like 4/3 pi plus r to the third. So had there been a plus sign in it, maybe it would be called a binomial. But all of this stuff is smushed up together into multiplication. This is 4/3 times pi times r. So that's why it's a monomial. Monomial is one term. There is no plus or minus sign separating terms. What is its degree? The degree is 3. All right, you guys are going to do a practice test today. You'll be able to use this practice test on your test tomorrow. If you want to for 80%. So I really want you to silently try to figure out the vocab in the front of this. So we're going to work silently for 20 minutes, and then I will start going over these questions. You can use books, anything you want on the practice test. No. We are silent.
Wait, is the thing for a test or?
It's a 100-point test. The 100-point test tomorrow will significantly change your grade. Actually, that's not true. That's not true. It won't. It won't significantly.
Oh, thank you.
So if you typically don't use notes, start with no notes and then see how far you get. You can identify the ones you don't know. What we're doing here is try to go through and answer any of them, and then we'll identify what you don't know so we can get that hashed out right now, and you'll know it tomorrow.
So how long are we working on this by ourselves?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
Yeah.
Miss, what if we don't finish it?
I know. I'll have to really focus. I don't know, Genevieve. I don't know. I'll probably start in like 10 minutes, to be honest with you.
Miss, I think you should give us like more time on the actual test.
Not tomorrow.
Yes, I'm making a suggestion.
I think we'll be okay. We'll see.
And then get
I'm going to get like halfway done. I'm actually already starting, so I don't know.
Because I don't know how to do any of this stuff.
Yeah. I think they're on the last one.
So if you do find somewhere in the book that goes over it, write the page number down for yourself. This wasn't turned in yet?
No, we never finished it. You said we were gonna finish it Monday.
Oh yeah, we never finished that.
I thought we did.
No, you said we were gonna finish them on Monday.
Okay, keep it for now.
Oh, that's long gone.
This.
I have a trusted source. It's okay.
Please focus on your practice test. What's your question?
Oh, I don't have a question.
Okay. Do your practice test.
I don't know what.
So actually, the vocabulary you guys wrote down on Friday on the back of your factoring sheet.
Yeah, I lost
Oh, you don't have it?
that. Yeah.
You guys, you should take Avid next year.
Me?
Yeah, anybody in here? This is listen, on Friday we wrote vocabulary words and I gave page numbers. So you're gonna open your book up, and today for bell work I said get a book. Did you get a book? All right, open your book to chapter 7, or if you want, you can use the glossary. So right now, I am not answering questions. You're seeing if you can use your resources to come with these answers. I will go over them in a little while. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, because he kept his, and a lot of you guys turn it back in with your quiz, right? Yeah, I can do that. Perfect. You can keep that now. Is that you? Yeah. You can keep that now. It stays. Mm-hmm. Just put it in your backpack.
Since this negative is being times by that negative, would that form be positive?
Mm-hmm. So number 10 here, based on the quizzes, is maybe one of the most challenging questions. So if you've tried it, take a minute, go back and check. When you subtract, you change the signs to the right. And then you don't have to write this stuff out. I don't. When I'm doing it on my own, I don't write this stuff out. All you're doing is combining like terms from here to here. But I like to show what I'm doing is I'm putting these like terms and combining them. So 4x squared minus 3x squared is just x squared. The exponent stays. Negative 8 minus 5, negative 13x. And then a positive 11 and a positive 4 is 15. If you got a 7 here, you're making a mistake. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm. It's actually 0. I'll get caught up to you just a minute. Any questions on the front? Should be able to check your entire front side now. Go ahead and check it. Let me know if you have questions. It's 1 through 13. You got that right now? You did? You got it? Good job, kid. What? Is that 15? Yeah, it's just what's the distance. So we spent a day looking at Desmos, and we looked at a bridge, and we talked about the importance of x-intercepts. So this is just talking about, hey, like, do you know what you're looking at? Like this is the x-axis here, and we're looking at x-intercepts. So from -8 to 8, the total distance is 16. Not right at the moment. I can't. Which one? 13? There's 13. Ow. I'm okay. We're almost done. 3 more. All right, number 20 would be another really challenging question. The subtraction's challenging. 20 is definitely challenging. This is the one that requires the A times C method that puts together those two methods of factoring into one problem. So I'm going to do 3 times 10 is 30. And we need to multiply to 30 and add to 11. And that would be 5 and 6. Did anybody get this far and pick 5 and 6? Yeah? All right, Nathan, good job. What'd you say? Just figuring the table out. Yeah. It just takes time and practice. You'll practice it a lot in Algebra 2 as well. So this is the one where you rewrite the middle. That's all of them. Your test won't look exactly like this. So I will have a few variations, few different questions, but very similar. 80% of the questions will look just like that. The handout. Yes, let's turn it in tomorrow after the test. Yes, for 80%. 80%.